Hi guys, Pokey Sisters here. This is Katie
and Sarah.
And today we have not one, not two, not three, but four more of these collector's albums with one pack of Primal Clash. So we're going to start one with this Kyogre one. I have tons of these binders now, but you know what? It's so fun to open up packs this early. So before I start though, we're going to do a card of the day, which is this Mega Aggron EX that Sarah pulled out of this set. So that is pretty sweet. So now we'll start with this pack. And of course, if you guys haven't seen the binders yet, we have the Mudkip. And we have those. And if you guys want, we've actually done two more of these openings, which are already uploaded that you guys can go check out. So let's start with this Kyogre one. I kind of want to save the pack arts just because they're sweet looking. So yeah, we're going to have to go down a little bit on that so we can get it out. So we're going to set the code card to the side. I'm actually going to move this down so you guys can see the cards a little bit better. 3 and 2. Let's see what we get. We have a Surskit. We have a Meryl, Torchic, Spheal, Trapinch, Freshwater Set, Combuskin, Lombre, a Barboat Traverse, and a Delcatty regular rare. So that really, really sucks. But I guess we'll see what the next pack has. It has Mega Aggron on it. Sarah actually got her full art out of a Mega Aggron, so maybe I can get, I don't know, maybe I can get the regular Aggron full art out of the Aggron pack. That would be cool. And then I'm just going to set the binder to the side because I'm sure you guys have already seen enough of those. Anyways, I have enough of those for days, but let's see what we get. I haven't got any of like the half art cards yet, surprisingly. Hopefully we can get one of those soon. So, there we go. Alright, let's see what we've got. We've got a Lotad, Spheal. I really love that artwork quite a lot. Rhyhorn, Skitty, Swampert, Electric, Mr. Mime, Scorched Earth, Drillbur, Ludicolo Reverse. That's a rare. That's usually a holo, so that's good. And did I do the trick wrong? Got a common, uncommon. What the heck? Oh, the Swampert was a rare. So I did something wrong. So anyways, that Swampert was a rare. So anyways, we got through Ludicolo Rare Reverse, so that was good. So now we have another Kyogre pack. God, I'm getting like nothing out of these. I swear. I should have had Sarah pick it out because she usually has much better luck. So,
yes, I do.
Kyogre pack. Let's see what we get. This is annoying, but alright, let's see. I still like opening up these packs early. It's fun. So, we've got a Clamperl, Bidoof that is eating a rock. It's kind of weird. Tangela, Shroomish, Trico, Nidorina, Groudon Spirit Link. Maybe we can pull a Groudon. That'd be sweet. Silent Lab, Electric Reverse. Wow, that looks really nice. Half Art Reverse. That looks sweet. And a Tangrowth. So at least we got that Electric, which was pretty cool. So now we got this last pack. Let's see what we get. Hoping for something. Haven't gotten anything, but I guess one holo out of this set. And that's pretty sad, so let's see what we get. What the heck? This pack, I guess, was tampered with? So we're probably not going to get anything, but it was like one of the last ones. This is great. Okay. Thanks, Target. 3 and 2. Let's see what we get. Hopefully I did the trick right. Probably it's not going to matter, but we got a Lotad, Bidoof eating a rock, Staryu, Volbeat, Nosepass, Grovyle, that's cool. Lantern, Shrine of Memories. Ooh, a Gorbis Reverse. Well, I guess this is good. Don't get anything. And what? What? Out of the tampered pack, we get a gold switch? Maybe it was just screwed up in the pack and Pokemon didn't seal it right, but wow. Got a gold switch. Holy crap. So, I'm going to grab a sleeve here. We're going to sleeve this guy up. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. Wow. I'm going to top load through this too. Wow, guys. Well, I've never seen any of these pulled yet. So, wow. That's sweet. Yeah, wow. We got a gold card switch. Well, anyways, guys, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and go check out our other videos for some awesome content. Thanks for watching. Bye!